Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check the monitor's spec sheet and the GPU's outputs. Once done, plug a DisplayPort or HDMI 2.0+ cable. Make sure the port isn't limited to 60Hz. Install or update GPU drivers to the latest version so the system recognizes higher refresh options. Next, disable any adapter or converter that forces 60Hz. Use the native port. Finally, reboot your PC to let drivers enumerate display modes before you change refresh settings. You now adjust software settings. Open Windows Display Settings, then Advanced Display Settings to see available refresh rates. If 144Hz isn't listed, open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA control panel, AMD Radeon settings, or Intel graphics, and select the monitor. Change the refresh rate to 144Hz there. If required, create a custom resolution or timing using the control panel, but proceed carefully to avoid unsupported modes. Once selected, apply settings and confirm the screen stays stable before moving on. You finish by validating 144Hz. Check Advanced Display Settings and your GPU panel to confirm both report 144Hz. Then run a motion test or play high frame rate content to perceive smoother motion. Make sure VSync or frame limiters aren't capping FPS. If the refresh falls back to 60Hz, make sure the cable supports required bandwidth. Try a different port, update, or roll back drivers. And check the monitor's on-screen menu for refresh or input mode settings. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and ports first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.